Hola gente, sean bienvenidos nuevamente al canal. Un gusto saludarles nuevamente en esta ocasión. En esta ocasión les traigo un video sobre la nueva arma SWITCHBLADE X9. La verdad no había usado esta arma, incluso no sabía que había llegado al juego. Pueden creer, no sabía, hasta que un enemigo me obligó a usarla. Y desde ese momento mi vida cambió, ya que yo solía usar la Mag 10. Pero esta nueva arma llamada SWITCHBLADE 9 tiene una potencia extremadamente exagerada. E incluso esta arma, por si fuera poco, cuenta con más alcance y daño que la Mag 10. Así como lo escuchan, amigos, tiene más alcance y más daño que la Mag 10. O sea, es algo muy potente. Si tú usas esta arma, tus amigos, tus enemigos, tus familiares te llamarán hacker. Incluso tu abuelita que está muerta en el panteón. Y dime tú, ¿qué esperas para usar esta joya de arma? Y bueno, no les quito más su tiempo y les dejo una partida en duelo por equipos para que vean la potencia de esta arma. Y recuerden, no olviden suscribirse, darle like y activar la campanita. Nos vemos, adiós.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. And I recall the past real vaguely. I remember everything they'd say. Maybe thought that I was crazy, thinking that one day they'd see my name. Love being a loner, always moving closer. Knew exactly what I wanted to have. Fear of growing older, chip all on my shoulder. Told myself I'm never looking back. And now I'm cold and dissonant. I'm losing my innocence, and you don't know my intent. And now you better back down,